If you've watched some of our Digital Mondays before, you know we talk a lot about Roland Solvent Print Cut. Roland Solvent Print Cut is affordable. There's super high margins with these things, but they're extremely versatile also. You can do window clings and vehicle wraps. We've actually printed on canvas and done a lot of high resolution photo and painting like prints for people. They look amazing. Heat transfers on apparel. That's one of our favorites. We do a lot of that. In an upcoming episode, I'm going to show you more how to do that. We're going to talk about how to make a lot of money with die cut stickers. The margins are really high. This sticker maybe costs only 10 cents or so to make, and you can easily sell these for $2-3 a piece. So there's a lot of margin in this. So I'm going to show you in 7 easy steps how to make high margin, easy stickers on the Roland SG2-300 on this Digital Monday. Step 1.
Reach out to your best customers and get their awesome logo.
Step 2.
Take that logo into Illustrator or Corel Draw, set your cut contour line, save as a PDF.
Step 3.
Load your sticker media. In this case, we're using glossy calendar vinyl.
Step 4.
Bring your logo into VersaWorks, set how many you want to print, set your media width, select your vinyl profile, and press print.
Step 5.
The SG2-300 prints fast and clean. Cuts fast too. You can even cut twill, which is real useful in an embroidery shop. Sheet cut.
Step 6.
Everybody's favorite part. Trimming away the excess fat and weeding. And just like that, they're ready.
And the money maker. Step 7.
Peel it, stick it, brand it.
So what do you think of my lighting back here? It's pretty good, huh? Well, thanks for watching this Digital Monday. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you watch all of our videos, embroidery, other digital videos. We have a ton of good stuff, content coming out. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. We're going to do more Roland stuff in the upcoming episodes. I've got to get to work, though. I got to start editing this video. It's going to be a lot of edits. Should look pretty good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.